Yo, and what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make like what's it called? A club takeover. We're going to take over a random club in England, of course, in League 2. I'm not looking. I just gonna spin it and wait a couple seconds and then stop. Next club, I'm gonna take this club. I can't say Colchester. Bro, what the heck? No, bro. What? Yep. No, bro. No. I swear to God, I'm not cheating. Okay. Fleetwood Town is the club we're going to take. Like, we're going to do this until we win the Champions League with them and everything. So, yeah. Just so you know, I'm not going to play these games. I'm just going to quick sim because I don't like to play. And I'm playing career manager mode. There. The events is on. We're going to have this on medium because yeah, why not? And we're going to have a 5 points deduction and just our normal and I don't know what's called, to be honest. I'm not good at English, by the way, guys. If you haven't heard it already, because I know English. Yeah, okay. The finish mid-table is a clause, like even seal. Okay, people, brain. Oh, let's press C. Who we got in? Okay, here we are. On midfield, it's quite good. 25, 23, and 23 years old. They're not that high rated, but they can grow. Our right back as well. He looks quite good. Yeah, that kid, he just needs to grow. He's 18-year-old, though, not much. So he got a lot of years on him. He's got 21. He looks good. I think we need to trust him, but maybe I need goalie and a striker. I'm not such a fan of the 5 at the back system. But I don't know, like, what we should play with this. Maybe a 4-1-3-2. Just you know, the CDM and stuff. We have him there because yeah, it's almost like we're playing a 5 to back, but we're not really doing it. If you do this, yeah, this is a cam spot, isn't it? But I feel like we need to trust that guy. That's the problem. We have like a real cam. We don't really got one. No, we sadly don't. Okay, we just need a goalkeeper. That's literally. We have a lot of players here too, though. We have this guy. We need to put this guy on the bench. Okay, he just need a goalkeeper. But first, I need to gosh. This guy is just on loan from Nottingham Forest. That's Ash. That's my. Oh, we already got a goalkeeper. We got two. This guy, he's not so good at that's a problem. He's only 20 years old. You know, I'm gonna approach to buy him. Because I don't think it's worth that much. Yeah, it's worth 400k. So if I just put a 500,000 pounds. Oh, come on, we can actually buy him. I think we actually need him because, yeah, he can be good for us. He's only 20 years old and he's 58 rated. It's not that much, but yeah. 1,700. Yeah, that's okay with that. Okay, we need to loan out someone, a lot of people. Guess I don't think we need them. So many people here at the club right now, like this guy. We can loan him out. I'm just gonna loan out the low-rated people. This guy too, we can loan him out. 1,000 to 1,500 for years now. Also this guy. We got a lot of. This team is actually pretty young. Out from United. Oh, is that guy? He's worth 700k. That's the thing. Like I don't think we need this guy anymore. We can maybe try and sell him. This guy's only 20 years old, but he's from Nottingham Forest. That's a problem. We can. You know, I don't really think we. I'll give him a contract for 1 more year, so now he's here for 2 years. But yeah, no, I don't really know. We got Will Davis. Why do we got so many strikers? We can. He can stay. This guy can also leave. He's not worth. He's worth literally 100,000, 120k. No, we don't need him. Now we got 3 strikers. Yeah, that's okay. We can sell the people that are like aren't gonna grow so much anymore. Yeah, and this guy as well. He's a captain, but we need him. We need to. We don't need him. We just need to get some cash in. I don't really know. Ah, yeah, I forgot about the first. Okay, we just gotta. Okay, like crucial because we need him to play. He's earning 7.6k. Oh. Devil Bosh. We'll take 7,000. Please, bro. Okay, thank God. We need to act smart so that we can save as much money as possible. You know, like he wasn't that expensive, 5k, but it's expensive for us because we don't got that much money. I think we got 900 a million left, something like that. Nah, no, 742k. Oh man, these people need labor. Clean. I don't know if. You joke me. I pressed it wrong. I pressed it wrong, guys. We can only take. Oh my days. Yeah, that was just dumb for me, to be honest. I didn't think that much of it. So yeah, free offers. I don't remember. I don't think I put him on the transfer list. 370k from Los County, yeah. Okay. 2 alone for this guy. Guess yeah. Wait. Oh. Okay. 4 offers. Oh. Clifton Town. Delegate. There. This guy. Yeah, no, we ain't selling that guy. He looks like a baller, to be honest. Oh. Yeah, no, we ain't hiring coaches right now. Okay, now he went there. Bro, we needed to go, like, for 2 years. Okay, Jalen left. There's no more people going right now. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, this is actually good. I think that's real still Syria's second team, but no, I think we'll just take that. Nicole and Hamburger SV Mansfield. Jeez. When these people just going on, to be honest. Like, oh, Colchester want. Yeah, no, they ain't getting that guy. he's gonna be a ball. He's gonna carry our back line and win the championship and stuff like that. Nice, 2 years. Cambridge, A United. No, what? But that's how this coach? Cause okay, we need to. We got 3 left that we could take. Bro, up there. Do we have a 5-star goalkeeper coach? We don't. And I don't think we got any other 5 stars. We don't. Okay. We'll put him there. Kick and rush. Oh, okay. We need a good goalkeeper. I don't know the rest of it. Oh, we need to attack him. There. I got 1 for each slot. Development plan. I forgot about that. We're gonna play them as fullbacks. Just cause, yeah, why not? Wide backs. Yeah, that's the only thing I feel like they should have. These, there, fullback. clock. Fullback once again. He's gonna play like a playmaker. Yeah, I feel like that. We ain't using a left wing position. What? How the hell can bro play right back and all of the position to the left side? This doesn't make any sense. Okay, he's gonna center off. He needs to be a right midfielder. So this guy actually got pace. Yeah. Right there. Gonna be a poacher. Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. Okay. There. Now we got development plans for everyone. How much cash do I have left? We just got 150k. Oh. I don't want to sell it. Oh. He's worth 400k. That's oh, I guess it's too much. Like for us, if we win this European International Cup, then maybe we'll have the funds to improve the team. I think we do actually. Our budget is quite tiny. Okay. Okay. Hitting Wigan Athletic. Oh, you know. Actually, we need to play. Aiming play. No. That's how we play. But 21. Let's go to 28, 30, 21. I want to play the young lads because except for this guy because he's actually way too young. But not going to because he's not. Let's get out. 62. This guy's 63, so it doesn't really matter that much. Like, it's 1 hour roll, but maybe that's something I can. Okay. I do not pack Borussia Dortmund's pack. And we actually win. Wow, they scored in the second minute. What the hell, bro? Oh. Okay. Okay, we won at least. That's a good, because we need it. Well, why are these people come? Oh. Yeah, I'm adding to one list as well. He needs to go. He's not ready yet. Exeter City. Yeah. The keeper, that's our only problem, because we don't really like got a good keeper. Do we seriously not have? Oh shit. Okay, okay. Okay, we score first, bro. Missed pen. Get out of my team, bro. Oh my days. Why did I? Yeah, it's okay. Get out, bro. Get out. 133k. I don't know if you can find any, but yeah, no. 23. Oh. Yeah, no, I don't think that we got enough money. But we'll see. 4 years. 2. Oh, bro. 3. Thank God. Oh my days, bro. We just don't got any money left. But we got a keeper. But damn, bro. And it's 18. Oh my days. Yeah, we need to put him on development room. He can actually grow quite a bit. And I'm thinking a ball playing keeper. Look at that. Bro. This 1 year is the best. That is dumb, to be honest. I don't think we can win this, to be honest. Like, no. Okay. I don't think so. We got 10k left. No, I want to wait just a bit. No, we can actually check if we have anyone. We actually okay. Yeah. I know how to use it if I can't remember. Okay, we actually got like not that many talents, but bro, this guy's faster. That no, that's this guy is oh my days, bro. What the hell, bro? They got like this guy's a tiny. Except when he's 6 feet, 6'2". No, bro. Yeah, no, yeah, just in the academy. Okay, first match of EFL League 2, and we lost 2-9. Oh, and this got injured as well. Oh, this isn't good to be honest. So. Oh no, you actually got kidding. Out for 70-60. Bro, he's literally one of our best players. And now he's out. Oh, bro. You guys need to give me something, bro. Like, what are we gonna do? Who's gonna play? We only got these two guys, like a player. And they aren't good enough. Oh, help me, just help me.